Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode of English with Altaf. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that's changing the way people learn languages around the world: how to use AI to improve your English fluency. From apps and chatbots to powerful tools like ChatGPT, you're going to learn how artificial intelligence can become your personal English tutor.
Hi, everyone. Yes, it's an amazing topic. AI is not just for tech experts anymore. It's for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to improve their English in a smart and easy way. In this video, we'll break it down into simple steps so that even beginners can understand how to use AI tools to practice speaking, writing, reading, and even listening skills.
Let's start with the basics. What is AI? AI means artificial intelligence, which simply refers to machines or computer programs that can think, learn, and solve problems. Some AI tools are specially designed to help people learn languages. These tools can correct your grammar, help you with pronunciation, and even talk to you like a real person.
Exactly. One of the best examples is ChatGPT. It's a smart chatbot that can answer your questions, correct your English, and help you build better sentences. And the best part? You can use it anytime, anywhere. Imagine having a teacher with you 24 hours a day. That's what AI gives you.
That's so true. Now let's talk about how AI helps with speaking practice. Many learners don't have someone to speak English with, but AI can solve this. You can chat with an AI tool, and it will reply in real time. Some apps even allow you to speak, and the AI gives feedback on your pronunciation. It's like having a speaking partner who never gets tired.
And that's really helpful for shy learners. You don't have to feel embarrassed or nervous. You can talk to AI again and again until you feel more confident. One great tip is to start by saying simple sentences to the AI. For example, "Hi, how are you?" Or, "What is the meaning of fluency?" The AI will reply, and you can continue the conversation. Over time, you'll notice your speaking skills improve.
Next is writing practice. AI tools like ChatGPT or Grammarly can check your grammar, spelling, punctuation, and even give you suggestions to make your sentences better. Suppose you write, "He go to school every day." AI will correct it and say, "He goes to school every day." So you learn from your mistakes without needing a teacher.
Yes. And you can also ask AI to rewrite your sentences in a more formal or natural way. For example, you write, "I want to learn English fast." AI might suggest, "I would like to improve my English quickly." That sounds more polite and fluent. This is how you learn style and tone in English.
Now let's move to reading practice. Some AI apps can help you read English news, stories, or even textbooks. They explain difficult words, and some tools can read the text aloud to you. That helps you improve your vocabulary and also understand how words are pronounced.
Absolutely. You can also use AI to ask the meaning of any word you don't understand. For example, if you are reading a paragraph and find the word overwhelming, you can ask ChatGPT, "What does overwhelming mean?" And it will give you a simple explanation and examples. This is much better than just memorizing words.
Let's not forget listening practice. Many AI-powered tools like language learning apps use voice recognition. You listen to native speakers and then repeat after them. The app checks your pronunciation and tells you if it sounds right. That's very helpful because you learn by listening and speaking at the same time.
And for those who love YouTube, did you know that AI can help there too? Some extensions and apps add subtitles, translate them, and even explain difficult parts of a video, so you can watch English videos and learn faster. You understand the language, the accent, and even the slang used by native speakers.
One of my favorite things about AI is that it gives instant feedback. You don't have to wait for a teacher or a class. You write something, and in a few seconds, the AI tells you what's right and what's wrong. This way, you keep improving every day.
Yes, and the best part is you can personalize it. You can tell I want to learn English for interviews, or help me speak like a native, and it will give you tips, vocabulary, and practice tasks based on your goal. That makes your learning journey more effective.
Here's another smart way to use AI. You can practice everyday conversations. For example, ask ChatGPT, let's do a conversation at a restaurant. Or, let's pretend I'm at the airport. The AI will play the role and guide you. This kind of practice helps you prepare for real-life situations.
Yes, and learners can even improve their confidence using AI. The more you use it, the more comfortable you become in expressing your thoughts in English. You can try speaking about your day, your hobbies, your goals, and the AI will reply, correct you, and encourage you.
But let's be clear, AI is a tool. It's not a human teacher. It doesn't replace speaking with real people, but it is a great assistant that can help you prepare before talking to others. It helps you build skills privately and safely.
Exactly. And it's also important to practice regularly. Just using AI once or twice won't help much. Make it a daily habit, maybe 15 to 20 minutes every day. Practice writing, speaking, reading, and listening. AI is always ready. It never gets tired or annoyed.
Before we finish, let's quickly review what we've talked about. Today we learned how to use AI tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, and voice apps to improve different parts of English speaking, writing, reading, and listening.
We also talked about how AI gives you feedback, helps you learn vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar, and even boosts your confidence. You can use it to do role plays, ask questions, and get help any time of the day.
So friends, don't wait. Start using AI to support your English learning. It's smart, fast, and always available for you. Just one step at a time and you will see the difference.
That's all for today's episode on English with Altaf. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends who want to learn English too. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep learning and don't forget, English is easy when you have the right tools. See you next time.